This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Cohan. Welcome to your dream lifestyle. Immerse yourself in the joys of living in a beautiful open floor plan single floor pool home with stunning lake views. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath oasis boasts numerous upgrades, including newly landscaped grounds, a kitchen with pull-out shelves and top-of-the-line appliances, a heated pool, and more. Located in SWFL's premier active adult community, enjoy unparalleled amenities like a 45,000 square feet clubhouse offering world-class social and physical activities. From tennis courts and fitness centers to indoor/outdoor dining options and a full-service spa, there's something for everyone. Join clubs ranging from adventure to philanthropy, or simply unwind with live music and comedy shows. Whether you prefer cooking at home or dining out, the options are endless. Come experience the ultimate in luxury living and vibrant community at our breathtaking lakeside retreat. Your perfect lifestyle awaits. See all extras and confidential remarks for more information. Review the details below or contact Sharon Cohan at 239-370-2323.